Hi! Today I'm going to show you how to make a mini fresh mango cake. Mother's Day is coming soon. Try making one for your dear mom. The cake is not difficult to make, it just takes some patience to decorate it nicely. Before we start, please remember to subscribe to my channel for recipe of many other kinds of yummy food. Let's look at the ingredients now. This mini 4-inch cake is good for a small family of 2 to 3 people. Instructions for 6-inch or 8-inch cake are included in the recipe underneath the video. Preheat oven to 315 Fahrenheit. Separate eggs one by one. Keep the egg whites in fridge first. Mix oil with milk. Add salt, then sift cake flour in. Stir gently in a Z direction to mix, then add the egg yolks. Continue to whisk in a Z direction until the mixture is fully incorporated. And smooth like this. In a clean bowl, beat the egg whites at high speed until foams form. Add half a teaspoon of cream of tartar. Add sugar gradually from the side. Switch to medium speed after adding sugar and continue to beat until the egg whites just exceed firm peaks. You can see there's a small hook of egg whites when you lift the whisk. Pour 1/3 of egg whites into the egg batter. Whisk and fold gently to incorporate while turning the bowl. Pour the mixture back to the bowl of egg whites. Fold from bottom, then cut in center gently while turning the bowl to incorporate. Pour this mixture into another bowl because there will be some egg whites at the bottom that hasn't been incorporated yet. Fold gently for a few times until the mixture is fully incorporated. Tap the bowl on counter to remove air bubbles. Pour the mixture evenly into 3 4-inch cake pans. Tap the cake pans to remove air bubbles, or run a toothpick for a few strokes. Bake at 290 Fahrenheit for 25 minutes, then turn baking tray 180 degrees and bake at 320 Fahrenheit for another 8 minutes. Mix 1 teaspoon gelatin with 1 tablespoon of cold water. Melt the gelatin water in steaming water. Grease the 33% whipping cream. Add icing sugar. Mix at lowest speed first, then add the melted gelatin water. Beat at medium speed until the cream becomes stiff. Remove the cake from oven. The skewer will come out clean if the cake is done. Invert the cakes upside down to cool the cakes for about 1 to 1.5 hours. Always use a good fruit peeler to peel mangoes to ensure a smooth surface. Cut the mango in half. Holding the half mango in one hand, slice out thin and big slices using a sharp knife. Cut about 18 slices. And cut some small mango cubes from the pit area. Release the cake carefully. Use a cake divider or a sharp knife to divide the cakes into 3 slices. Place the bottom layer of cake on the cake turntable. Spread and smooth whipping cream on. Add mango cubes. Then add whipping cream and smooth it out. Add another layer of cake. Spread and smooth cake on again. Add mango cubes and cream again. Add the top layer of cake. Spread a bit more whipping cream on. Smooth out the top and the side as well. Wrap the side of cake with bigger mango slices. Overlapping the side of mango slice a little bit. The thick end on bottom and the thin ends on top of the cake. Like this way until the entire cake is wrapped. Cut half of the mango into thin slices. Pick the biggest slices. Use them as petals of the outside of rose. Let the mango petals stand on top of the cake and overlapping each other. Use smaller pieces for the inside. Remember the ends of rose petals should overlap. Try to fill more petals and squeeze its layer tightly together. Here is the pretty rose. Separate the edge of rose petals by the tip of a knife. Melt 1/3 teaspoon of gelatin, 5 grams of sugar with 25 grams of water to form a glaze. Brush the glaze onto the rose and mango slices. You may add some tiny grapes to decorate. Pipe some whipping cream onto the bottom of the cake board for decoration as well. Refrigerate the cake before serving. Here is a simpler method to decorate the cake. Fill the side of cake with mango petals. Place the mango petals flat on top of the cake like this. Fold some smaller mango pieces to decorate. And don't forget to brush the mango slices with the glaze as well. The pretty and delicious mini fresh mango cake is now ready to serve. Enjoy!